Oh my goodness. Oh my god, so heavy.
Yeah.
So what are you going to open today?
A box?
A box. So what's inside on that?
I don't know.
You
Let's
don't know?
see.
Okay. Be careful. Okay, guys, let's do unboxing for this one out of two boxes here, which is same size. So they have another one boxes here.
Those are kind of the same thing.
Same thing. Oh,
Oh, look. It's pillows.
free pillows.
Yeah. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pillows. 6 pillows for, I don't know, squirrel? Oh, my God, look at that big
Oh
old
my
box.
goodness. Oh my God. Oh my goodness.
Galaxy Samsung Note 10 Plus.
Plus.
Star Wars.
So hi guys, so this is the 10th year anniversary limited edition of the new Samsung Galaxy Note 10, which is the Star Wars, which will be going to showing this coming December 20.
Today.
Oh,
Today.
yes, wow. So on the same time you receive your package, your phone, and your...
And
Wow, look at that. Is it so
yeah,
nice?
the cape. Oh, let's see. Oh,
Wow. Star Wars.
and then let's see my little badge. It's heavy. Collector's edition.
Can I touch? Oh yeah, it's heavy.
Yeah.
Eh.
And then my supposedly a leather cover to protect it. It hasn't even, I don't know if you see that inside.
There's a Star Wars.
And then, oh, is that it? Yeah, okay. The front folds down,
Wow.
and then you pull open.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness, it's heavy like
Heavy?
a brick. My trusty knife again. Oh, gotta get a hold of it. Open.
Oh my god.
Well, it has different earbuds there.
Yep.
But nice, pretty. The red buttons.
Yes. That's Star Wars.
I guess that's something to do with the Star Wars. I don't know. Huh.
And this one they have already built in.
Yeah, I'm supposed to have it already. Protecting the screen protector.
So you just remove that there at the back. Wow, so nice color. Look at that,
Shiny.
guys.
Even the red around the cameras.
Yes, and even the stylus pen. It's color red. There you go. Wow.
Yeah, I don't do this very often. Of course, it blocks the little emblem on that, but
Beautiful.
then the other one.
There's another box
And
inside.
it has to be earbud.
Wow. Oh, so cute.
I don't know what is that. Oh, there you go. Oh, now they're green. It was red. Now they're green.
So that will be the charger also.
Yep.
So
Said
you
you just put it
just
on the
put in your
phone.
phone on the top of your phone and it will be charged.
Even. Oh, there you can see it. Oh.
Oh, wow. Look how nice.
Let's get started. Let me help you get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps. Let's look at the terms and conditions. Once you read and agree to these, we can really get going.
I don't want.
You can restore the settings and contents from your old device. It will not be difficult. Wi-Fi would be quite handy here. Choose a network.
I don't know what.
So what else inside the box? So there's another.
More headphones. And then your charger. Oh, what is that?
That's for the USB connector to your phone adapter. I got that one.
Oh, is that all that is? It's thick.
Hey guys, you can charge your AirPods on the top of your phone. As you can see, it's blinking. There you go.
But it'll slide off.
I show you the dark side. Heavy. Wow. So this is what they look like, guys. The box. So this is made in Korea. And look at how very beautiful the box, so heavy, big box. I like this one here. We're done opening his box. So this is the Star Wars limited edition. So this is the 10th year anniversary of Samsung. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, so heavy.
Yeah, they're heavy.
They're heavy.
Yep, crazy.
Ta-da!
Anniversary.
Oh my goodness, so
Anniversary
heavy.
10.